Your support and resistance lines do not work, and sometimes this makes you feel confused. You kind of ask yourself, is this trading thing for me? How would price take me out the very moment I click on the buy or the sell button? Why doesn't the supply and resistance line work in the first place? Am I supposed to be trading the forex market? Guys, I really understand how you feel. You see, this was my story some few years ago when I started trading the forex market. I came across this concept, support and resistance, just like you did, and I never really understood what it means. But what I knew was the fact that they drew lines on the chart, and this was something I thought I could do. So I just went on, drew line randomly, did whatever thing I did, and here was the mistake I fell for completely. Sometimes those trades went well, and so I believed since they went well, maybe I was doing something right. So I continued. It's just like pouring petrol to fire. And at the end of the day, I blew my account. In case you don't know me, my name is FX, a forex trader with almost half a decade trading experience. And all through my trading journey, I've made a lot of mistakes you can think about in the book. Trust me, guys, and I've been able to correct that to scale my trading from zero to a pro level and made over 5 figures trading the forex market. And at the end of today's video, you'll be learning exactly what support and resistance really means, where support and resistance matters, and how you can start using this support and resistance line to take trades that will bring you profit at the end of the day. So if you're set, get your pen and your paper, let's go. Okay, the very first one, what is support and what is resistance? Let's start with support. Support simply means that area where price gives you buying pressure that kind of stop selling from taking place. This is what support really means. It tells you, hey, buyers are ready, let's go, let's buy. That point in price is called support. Now, resistance on the other hand tells you a point in price where price gives you selling pressure that kind of resisted buying, and at this point in time price sells down, it goes short, it falls, whatever it is you want to call it. That is what support and resistance means. Now you understand this. What then do traders do that make them lose money trading the forex market? I mean, their mistakes. I think the first mistake traders make is trying to draw support and resistance from whatever random place they imagine. You see, this is the one thing traders do a lot of times. They come into the forex market and they just start drawing lines they do not even know about, and it's kind of frustrating how it is. This could be something you do because at the end of the day you notice that you've lost more than you eventually put in the market because you thought something was right and you wanted to continue, just like my story. This is wrong, guys. It is very, very wrong. The next mistake traders do is they draw support and resistance from the lower time frame. Guys, this is one thing you would do that would kill your account. I see traders come into the forex market and they start drawing support and resistance line from the 5 minute, from the 3 minutes time frame, from the 2 minutes time frame, and you're kind of thinking to yourself, are these guys serious? Now, it's not about what they draw or how they draw it, it's about what they know, because I believe information is power. Here's one thing about drawing your support and resistance line in the lower time frame. The support and resistance line in the lower time frame, the place where there is noise. You'd see charts giving you different trends, different move at all, and because you do not know this, you just pick up your line and start drawing randomly. This is one of the reasons why traders get confused and they kind of think to themselves, which line is actually gonna hold? Where should I trade from? Right? This is one important question they ask themselves oftentimes, and I know it can be frustrating, guys. I've been there. You don't want to pick the support and resistance line from the lower time frame. It just makes you confused, guys. You don't want to do that. The third mistake traders make is this: they draw too many lines. You see, a lot of times forex traders come into the forex market, they want to trade support and resistance, they just go in and start drawing lines just like I did. You just want to draw everything. It's not that way, guys. There is a systematic way of doing this, and if you don't know this, you would always be on the losing end trading the support and resistance. I know after all this you're going to be asking me, what then is the right way to draw the support and resistance line? How can I improve my game? Calm down, that's why I'm here for you guys. Okay, the very first thing you want to do during your support and resistance line, let's go into the chart so I show you. Now the first thing you want to do trading the support and resistance line is to start from your higher time frame. So right now we're already on the daily time frame, right? You want to start from the higher time frame. It could be 4-hour time frame, it could be the daily, it could be the weekly, it could be the monthly, but personally I like starting from the daily time frame. So you go down to your chart. Currently we're on the Euro GBP chart right now. You go down to your chart. Then the next thing you want to be doing is to focus on clear rejections. So looking at this chart, where are the areas where you could find clear rejections, right? Where are those areas? Let me try and duplicate this so it becomes easier, right? I think there are clear rejections around here. Yeah, you can see first push down. Let me make this a bit big so it becomes very clear. You can see price was resisted right here, resisted right here, resisted right here, and this zone became a kind of support for price. This zone right here became a kind of support for price, right? So that's it. The next obvious area, right, for restriction is this area right here. You could see how this is playing out right now. You could see price got resisted right here, price got resisted right here, resisted around here, here and here, right? That is how to get this done, guys. You want to start from an obvious zone. The next thing you want to do is to ignore weak areas. I know a lot of you guys would want to trade the support and resistance line, and sometimes you're looking at this spot right, you're thinking, should I draw the line right here, or maybe I should draw the line right here. Guys, you want to ignore weak areas. You just want to draw those areas where you've seen price gives you a clear touch, a clear movement, guys. That's what you want to do. Right now we've drawn the support lines, we've drawn the resistance line. We'll call them key levels, whatever it is you want to call them. The next question you want to ask yourself is this: what is price doing around those areas? So let's use this for an example. Price is currently on a support right here, because you could see this price broke here strongly, broke this resistance right here, broke it strongly, right? And it's on this area. By the way, if you haven't seen my video market structure, go check it out. The links to that video will be posted down in the comment section and also in the description below. Go check it out. Right now we have to go into the lower time frame to see what price is doing around this area, right? Because we want to test how structure behaved at that area. Right now, this is the 1 hour time frame. Remember, the support line or the resistance line is oftentimes seen as a zone, not the single line. So we're working on that. That's what you should know. Now this area right here, you could see price. What did price do right here? I mean, put this even bigger, right? Price broke this structure right here, broke this structure right here. Now the next thing you want to be doing is to buy, but from where? You have to buy from a good demand zone, right? So you could go down, mark out your area, right? Mark out this area as your demand zone, right? Haven't noticed your liquidity spot right here, guys. So for adventure later today, price goes up. Let me draw this. Price for adventure, price falls back down, clears this liquidity. You want to buy it from here. So that's it, guys. That's how to trade support and resistance line in cooperation with market structure. Now it's important to go over this video once again, right? Alright, this is where we come to the end of today's video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel yet, please do that right now. It helps the algorithm. Remember, we have a target to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month, so just help us achieve that. We want to hear from you. Make sure you comment below, tell us what you've learned from the video and where you want us to talk more on in the next video when we meet again. My name remains Zuko Effect, and I just want to help you trade the forex market better. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Peace.